Hi, my name is Muhammad Azim Iman Rashid. My number metric is 10-20F2073. I am from Group 12. I want to talk about the grading of supply chain. The first is definition of the grading of supply chain is from raw material to finished good, and it also can be operational management approach and optimization methodology for lowering the environmental impact of green product throughout their life cycle. Next, the grading of supply chain gives an overview of this approach, as well as the network synthesis method for achieving this goal. However, producing, packaging, shipping, storing, and delivering goods as well as other supply chain activities can be environmentally detrimental. In response to the rising expense of natural resource, recycling and conservation are becoming more popular. And the main purpose of green supply chain, we all know, is to reduce pollution in the air, water, and waste. In addition, this will help the company operate better in terms of waste reduction, product reuse, recycling, cost saving, asset efficiency, good image building, and greater customer satisfaction. Thank you.
My name is Namashta binti Osman. My metric number is 10-LS20F2070. Today I'm going to talk about important characteristics, challenges of green supply chain management. Characteristic of the green supply chain. First, the management of the green supply chain aim to add practice to preserve the environment in the integrated network of supply in order to minimize the use of natural resource and to increase the use of the reuse of material. In a sustainable supply chain, economic activity must take place within environmental and social threshold or limit. Challenge of green supply chain of management. First, depends on fossil fuels, especially in transport. Second, last mile delivery impact on urban traffic. Third, lack of infrastructure. Second, next, business which need to invest. The last one, the invisibility of logistics to consumer. Important green supply chain which is practice are critical to the health of our planet and the continuous sustainability of industry. In addition, they lead to competitive and economic performance in several ways by increasing cost efficiency, reduce waste, and meeting consumer demand for green products.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Dini Fadullah bin Mat Rafiza and my metric number is 10LS20F2068. There are few strategies and suggestions to minimizing environmental impact in supply chains. First, we have green materials. Sustainable materials that limit resource depletion, tower acquisition costs, and minimize carbon emissions. Example in the construction and textile industries include bamboo, tencel, linen, and cork. All are either renewable or require less power to harvest, create. A material's embodied energy is directly related to how much is needed to create it from procurement and refinement. Reverse logistics system address how companies handle products once they fulfill their purpose. The SCM encourages recycling and reusing, though products might undergo other disposal methods if recycling isn't possible. Companies refer to this strategy as a closed-loop system involving materials that go out and come back for repurposing. Customers return defective or recycled products to the manufacturer, and this become either waste or a new item. Thank you, that's all.